Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Yaber T2 and T2 Plus portable projector for outdoor entertainment. So friend, Yaber has announced the entertainment projector T2 and T2 Plus, and this innovative battery-powered portable projector feature native 1080p resolution and superior audio quality and HI through a close partnership with JPL with built-in batteries, and T2 series are perfect for movie, marathons, camping, trips and outdoor gatherings, and T2 Plus projector series features 450 ANSI lumens of brightness and native 1080p resolution, delivering clear and detailed images, and intelligent auto-correction technology ensures seamless operation without manual adjustment, and is equipped with dual JBL speaker and Dolby audio support. And both projectors provide a balanced and impressive sound experience, and the T2 series support up to 2.5 hours of video playback or 18 hours of Bluetooth connected music, and the projector include functional handle for portability and stability as a stand, and it can tilt the projector up to 15 degrees for extra projection range, and T2 Plus is bundled with a Google TV dongle, a remote control that support Google Assistant to access our 7000 plus apps, and the T2 is an online exclusive with option to add-on purchase the dongle. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.